Saskatchewan. Dembele. Hey! Oh, right. Why? Amakwa? What were you looking over here?
You see,
I see what? I see you looking here. You're asking me, I see what?
the first question is draw the female reproductive system. And the original one is here, so I was photocopying.
The original one is where?
Yeah, you see the legs.
Yes.
The female reproductive system is here.
Yes.
But you didn't make me finish. Okay. I was supposed to penetrate.
So where's the original one?
The original one is under there. You check for
under
yourself.
Where is it?
Bravo, open. Bravo.
You are laughing. I'm serious, so you are laughing.
Bravo, open.
So you have to check from here.
Check, that is the original. You will be learning the fake one.